hope we can find some driftwood. Oh my goodness!
She's so fast.
She's so fast! She's so fast!
Look at this. Really light. Like a second. But it's there.
There's a whole bunch of driftwood in that little spot. Here's our bag of driftwood goodies. So anyway, I just wanted to show y'all some of the driftwood that I'm going to be cleaning up today. These are the larger pieces. I love this one. It's so naughty and cool looking. My husband found all three of these. He's got an eye for pulling them out of the river. There's Ellie. You gonna check it out? Who's cute? It's been about an hour, maybe more. At this point, this is baking in the sun, so I'm holding down all the ones I could with rocks, and all the ones that I couldn't hold down with rocks, I just came out here and flipped them around a few times. Alright, so I'm really happy with the results of the bleaching, and I've let these sit for 7 days. I might do these two pieces longer. You see this is rather dark still, and I can see how some tutorials talk about leaving them in the water, in the bleach solution for a much longer period of time. I left these in the bleach solution for a little over an hour with 2 cups of bleach and a full bucket of water to the brim. So really happy with the result. And I will be making a video about the art that I will be making with these smaller pieces of driftwood. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you again soon.